Alright, let's have a quick update in XAUUSD, because as you can see, we're already having that push mentioned in yesterday's analysis that we needed to at least break this major resistance at 2400, and we already have this big spike in the 2-hour time frame. We go lower to the 15-minute. We can see we're already trying to consolidate above this major resistance for the past at least 6 days, sorry. 6 days pretty much, since we printed this new all-time high and these two lower lows, followed by this major low, also lower highs. These two form a lower low, but this one is a lower high followed by this one. So in case we want to see bearish price action, we will need to break these two. And for the bullish price action, we're actually having a very good move and sustained spike. Now let's go to the 4-hour. So we can see in major time frames we're forming also what looks to be a bull flag, and if we manage to retest or to consolidate above this resistance, at least in the 4-hour, expect this area to be very bullish to the upside, at least to break the all-time high in 2431, because price per macro and per every fundamental is very bullish, and also the technical, as we can see, we're very sustained. The only reason why I will want the retracement at least to the 2318 area is because price is very sustained to the upside. Of course, the geopolitical, the fundamentals, the Powell's speech about the inflation and all of that is adding to the sustained move to the upside. Well, these are not the type of markets that you want to keep this price that much. It's almost $450 move in less than 2 months, so that's huge. This is unique. This has never happened. So let's just wait for the reaction. Let's not try to predict. Tomorrow we don't have any major news. As you can see, we had today the last one, that was unemployment claim. It came flat or as previous. So really there's no recovery for the USA, so gold has all the tools to keep going up. Also Bitcoin, as you can see, we are near the halving, so it's going down. So at least smart investors for long term will take positions in gold. I don't like this price for holding or long term. As you can see, I'm a trader, but price keeps printing bullish all-time highs all the time. So either Friday is a reversal for this price action, or we get the consolidation here. So it's marked very clear in your chart to 400 and this area for possible retracements, because if gold is going up, it will break the all-time high like it's been doing the past month. So just keep the charts marked and try to react to the possible events.